today's YouTube video, I will be revealing to you my $900 per day net profit strategy selling on Amazon FBA. So I hit this goal about 2 years ago, and here is a previous screenshot of how that looks like. So I will not talking about any sales numbers or any of that crap in today's video, because obviously guys, you are here to learn about net profit money that goes straight inside of your bank account after all fees and expenses. So back then guys, I made over $100,000 in sales every single month, which was about roughly $3,500 to $3,800 per day in sales. My profit margins were anywhere from 30 to 35%, leaving me with a net profit of over $900 to $1,000 every single day. I was obviously happy and over the moon when I achieved this goal. So I want to show you guys how you can do it for yourself. Now, this strategy is not something that can be done in 5 minutes or can be done overnight, but with practice and with some time and with doing some homework, I promise you that you will be walk away with a winning product and you won't lose your money if you just follow everything that I tell you in this video step by step. Guys, the best part is I was able to make over $900 in net profit every single day by barely spending any money on Amazon PPC sponsored ads. As you know, I'm not a big fan of PPC. Now you may be wondering, how did you do that? Well, it all comes down to finding a good profit that does not require you to spend a lot of money advertising. As my aim too is to find a product that sells itself and turns your visitors into buyers. Sellers, I do live Amazon FBA training on my Facebook group, so make sure to join it if you want to learn more about Amazon FBA. And if you join now, you get free 5-step Amazon FBA guide, which will teach you my 5-step formula for mastering Amazon FBA business, all without losing any money. So make sure to click the link in the description down below and join today so that you don't miss any of the valuable information. Sellers, I'm fully confident that products like this do exist in this year also, that do not require a lot of PPC and spend to launch your product. Because one of my students named Samantha, she started my Amazon FBA program in 2020 after failing from his first product. And then her second product is actually doing more than $14,000 in sales every single month with a net profit margin of 40%. And this is with zero PPC ad spend. So I know the strategy works guys, and that is why I want to share it with you today. In my other YouTube videos guys, I always start with using Jungle Scout for finding winning products. But in today's tutorial guys, I will show you something completely opposite and new. Now before we dive inside of my computer for me to show you how to do this, make sure you guys check out my free Amazon FBA guide in the YouTube description below. If you're new to selling on Amazon and you don't know how to find winning products that will actually make you money, then click on the free guide link in the YouTube description below. Enter your name, enter your email address, read the free Amazon FBA to the very end, because you will get a chance to book a free one-to-one call with myself and my team, and we will help you get this whole Amazon FBA model started and profitable for you. Okay guys, enough talking, let's dive inside. Today we will be doing Amazon product research a little differently than before. So if you guys have been watching my previous YouTube videos, you know how much I love to use Jungle Scout for Amazon product research. But this is more like a reverse engineer strategy. When you're already searching on Amazon.com using one of the other strategies that I explained in my other videos, then what you can do is, instead of giving up and going to the next product, I recommend exhausting the search. Yes guys, you must be thinking, oh, what do you mean by exhausting the search? Once we are doing the research, we find these products, and if this product is not a winner, more often what we do is we just go to the next product and we go to the next list, or we just change the filters. But guys, I want you guys to exhaust your search. So one of the ways I do is by utilizing the reverse engineer strategy. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and say that this is one of the top sellers we found, and this product isn't doing that we thought it's gonna do. So it's not a good product, but it's saturated, it has a lot of demand and a lot of reviews. So what we have to do is exhaust this product. What I actually like to go into the seller's store, you can see the seller's brand name here, and on the right side you can see their store right here. It says sold by home, Slick Home, and fulfilled by Amazon. So we go straight into it, click on their name. Okay, we saw that they were selling bamboo cutting boards, but when we scroll down, there's a foot massager. Okay, they have an olive oil dispenser bottle set, a deep knitting neck massager, also a knife set. Okay, so if you keep scrolling down, we will see all of these different products, like okay, this such French press coffee makers. Okay, so guys, chances are they have this one product that has over 900 reviews. They are making money with this product, so that means guys, they know what they are doing. So instead of just going to different set of listing and going back to that list, what I would like to do is go in these storefronts and see what products they are selling, because they are not guessing at this point. Okay, they are established brand and established experienced Amazon sellers. So guys, the chances are, as they're established experienced sellers, they are launching these products for a reason. Okay, so what you can do is you can go ahead and launch that Chrome extension. Okay, by launching this Chrome extension, we can actually pull the metrics on this actual store, which is literally game changing. Now you can see there is a high demand and high competition. Okay, don't look at the opportunity score, because there is not a lot of data here, because we're literally just going off the different products that they have. So just pay no attention to it. Okay, we want to go and look at the monthly amount of sales to the reviews. So if you take a look at this, this deep knitting neck massager with heat, they are selling 471 units a month and currently has 82 reviews. So what I would do is I would add this to the product tracker. Then after I'm done doing this research, I'm going to look through all of this list of products and the catalog of products. That I would go back to my product tracker, look at these products, and then I want to see what makes sense and what's not. So here is another one, okay, with 677 units per month, okay, with only 95 reviews. Okay, this is a kitchen drawer divider, okay, 6-pack. So these are all bunch of different products. Okay, so I would really add these to the product tracker, and when I'm done doing my research, I would go back to the product tracker within the web app, and then I would start diving deep into these different products. Then I would actually, look for it and type into the Google like bamboo kitchen drawer dividers or kitchen drawer dividers, okay, or bamboo drawer organizers. Okay, I would like to type these keywords in that, and then I would do the research based off the entire niche or category that is a hidden gem. And sellers, this is one of the ways that I personally find amazing products is by piggybacking off the hard work of other Amazon sellers who have experience of dominating niches. So this is one of my personal favorite ways that I love doing this. By the way guys, you can find up to 50% discount on both product research tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10. You can get the link in the description down below, so do check it out. It will save you a lot of money. And one more thing guys, if you buy through the link in the description, you can send me the receipt on Instagram or email me on info@saniabell.com, and I will give you your Amazon profitable product criteria cheat sheet as a bonus for free, which can help you to find Amazon products with a lot of confidence. Sellers, before we even get into the sourcing or launching our products by looking through the product like this, and then we are thinking like we have to launch, we want to validate this product by making sure the product is not patented, and making sure a product is not trending, making sure that the product is gonna have that margin that meets our expectation, which is usually like 30% bare minimum. I like to personally see around $10 profit per product. So what I'm gonna show you is we're gonna go directly into the revenue calculator. You can find this at sellercentral.amazon.com/revenue calculator, or if you just type in Google, it will come up this one. You can also find it inside your Seller Central. Now, for private label sellers, we are not really looking for a specific SKU, but in order to access, you need to put SKU in here or ASIN. So just simply like put any of the ASIN of your competitor's product in here. That way you can unlock this revenue calculator. And what you can do is go ahead and fill out this information, and it's gonna calculate literally your net profit and your net margin, which is a very, very important. So for this example, we are using like yoga mats. Let's go to Amazon and see what they are selling for. They are selling it for $2062. So let's just go ahead and put $21 in here. Now shipping would be 0 because we are using FBA, so you would just go ahead and put 0 in here. If you're using FBA, then you just put the price here. Okay guys, directly down below is a ship to Amazon. Now this is gonna be the cost of shipping the item to Amazon Fulfillment Center. So what you want to do is when you reach out to your suppliers, you want to go ahead and get your codes. If you're doing a GP, then get the codes directly from the suppliers. If you are going through FOP or EXW, you can simply go to broker like Freightos or just go to freight forwarder, as for hopes that some of them might have calculators on their website. So you can simply ask your suppliers that, hey, can you give me a quick estimate? So for argument's sake, guys, let's see, I just want to speed it up. So we just go ahead and put $1 here. Typically items that weigh less than 5 pounds typically cost between 50 cents or $1 or 50 units to ship. The average inventory unit store, okay, so this is the average number of units you hold in your inventory. I want to go to Alibaba and I had already been there and found a supplier. So we go to alibaba.com and type in a yoga mat. We scroll to see something that is similar to the product that we're looking for and sourcing. So we never want to go with the lowest one or never want to go to the highest one. I recommend that you get the exact number from your supplier to go somewhere in the middle. So lowest here is $1 and highest is $3. Okay, so let's go ahead and call it $2 just to be on the safe side. So we go back to the calculator and we put $2 here. Now remember guys, this is just to get a quick estimate guys for our validation part of reaching out to suppliers and negotiating, going back and forth. So don't focus so much on it. Once you negotiate, then you get a more accurate price from the freight forwarder and from your suppliers. Then you can come back here and plug those more accurate numbers for an accurate profit margin, net profit margin and net profit. You can do all of this before pulling the trigger and spending any money. So you can simply go ahead and calculate what you're gonna see and what would your profit gonna be for this product. So this is gonna show you your net profit margin, which is 75%, which is great. Now you can go up here and even if we triple the cost, guys, look at this. We calculated, you're still gonna get high, right? So guys, it is just a quick tool. You can play with these filters to see what your profit margin is and what your net profit is. This is huge guys in reference of validating this product prior to reaching out to suppliers, negotiating and moving forward with your launch. And finally guys, you want to do the math right here so you can see how much money you can potentially make for every single unit sold. I forgot to mention guys, you should aim for a higher profit margin percentage right here, because the higher the profit margin percent, the more room you have for running your Amazon PPC sponsored ad if you want to run. Whether or not you have to run PPC for your product really depends on the product and its demand. I somehow found a winning product that required little to no PPC, so I hope that is the case for you as well. If you want to know about one more product research method for finding a viable, profitable product, then do watch this next video here. Okay. If you have any questions, make sure then drop me a comment in the comment section below of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, and give this video a huge thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next YouTube video.